I think it's an important thing because it's a way of creating a bridge between the public and Parliament by using sports as a unifying factor. We all know how powerful sports is as a unifying factor, and this is something that's supposed to celebrate the 30 years of uninterrupted parliamentary democracy, which we hope will go forward and not just be in Ghana, but in the sub-region and across the continent as we seek to build bridges between various democracies across the country using sports.
This is a very good initiative that the Parliament or the Chief of the House is, introducing, and I think we are all here to support him, and I think this will go a long way, and I hope and pray that the support that everybody is supporting will bring something good out of this one.
This is historic and it's something that has come to bridge the gap just in between, of course, the legislature and the citizenry to embrace why we need to live and coexist peacefully so that at least we can embrace what and how we have agreed to govern ourselves.